Built in 2021 with an ICF foundation, 25 Scenic View is energy efficient and beautiful.
Welcome inside this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home.
The great room features vaulted ceilings, a deckless heat pump, and doors to the spacious back deck.
The kitchen is well equipped with a large island, soft closed drawers, and a walk-in pantry.
The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with a soaker tub and tile shower.
Down the hall, you'll find 2 more bedrooms, main floor laundry, and a full bathroom.
Plus access to the attached double-car garage.
Let's head downstairs.
The walkout lower level features a large family room with another deckless heat pump,
plus a 3rd full bathroom, a home gym, and a 4th bedroom.
as well as a utility room and lots of storage. You'll also find triple glazed windows throughout the home.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 25 Scenic View,
Visit FrederictonHomes.com.